In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send meeting invite in Outlook 365. To get started, open Outlook 365 and head over to the calendar section. This is where you'll create and manage events, appointments, and meetings. If you're currently in your inbox, simply switch to calendar using the navigation area in Outlook. Once you're there, you'll be able to choose the date and time for the meeting you want to schedule. Next, click on Event. This opens the meeting creation window where you can build the invite. Think of this as the main workspace for setting everything up. From here, you'll be able to enter all the important information your attendees need in order to understand what the meeting is about and when it's happening. Now it's time to add the details. Start by entering a clear meeting title so it's easy to recognize in everyone's calendar. Then choose the correct date and set the start and end time. Be sure to double check the timing before you move on, especially if the meeting is time sensitive or involves people in different schedules. You can also fill in any additional information provided in the event form, such as the location or a short description if needed. The goal here is to make the invite as clear and useful as possible so everyone knows what to expect. After that, add the attendees. In the attendee field, enter the email addresses of the people you want to invite. Outlook will use this information to send the invitation directly to them and place the event on their calendars once they accept. As you add attendees, it's a good idea to quickly review the entire invite one more time. Make sure the title is accurate, the date and time are correct, and any supporting details are included. Once everything looks good, click Send. Outlook will immediately send the meeting invitation to the people you added. They'll receive it in their inbox and can respond by accepting, declining, or marking it as tentative. That response will help you keep track of who plans to attend. And that's all it takes to send a meeting invite in Outlook 365. It's a simple process, but taking an extra moment to make the details clear can help avoid confusion and save time later. If you use Outlook regularly, getting comfortable with calendar invites is a great way to stay organized and keep everyone on the same page.